Say,
Hello, I love you.
yeah, we just got here. So after the long traffic, the Cannon Road, right? Finally, we are here. Here's playground.
We're gonna go to the playground after this.
Yes, yeah. It's right there.
It's not safe because there's trees.
That's Burnham Park.
There's Burnham Park. Yeah. I really get trees like that.
It's fun here.
Yeah, it's fun here. Those are the kids. Hi, Noah. Look at me.
Stop, stop. Wait, mommy. Wait lang, stop. Stop, stop. Hey. Hi, Noah. Yeah. Ay, meron ka ng...
Ate, mommy, ate have like this.
What, ate?
Ate have like this.
Ate, ate?
Have like this.
Ate Casey, ate what?
Have Ate Casey.
Let's put Dottie. Isa pa.
Ducky.
To Dottie. Noah.
Wait,
Hello.
I'll arrange your ducks. Your duck is not looking forward. It's looking backward. Wait. There. Ano? That's okay.
Noah, choose. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Let's go. Pogi. Hi, Pogi.
Daddy, the other one was
Queen Duck.
pink. It's a bird. Like a duck. Duck.
Hello.
Noah.
Here.
Bagyo! Welcome to Bagyo!
Ganyan.
Yeah. It's so
Beautiful on here.
and cold.
Echo!
Look.
We're here in Baguio! Taki! We're going to eat in the hotel.
Haunted hotel.
Cafe.
Restaurant.
This is cafe restaurant. I'll show you.
You know what?
Cafe.
Cafe!
Hello. Bibigyan natin.
This is real. Oh, it's real.
Hi, Mom. I have three duckies. This is Baguio Ducky, and this is my Snow Ducky and Crown Ducky.
Daddy. Noah.
apple. Look. Yeah.
Again, try it.
This is cheese.
Yes.
Tutok mo pa? Ayan, ayan. Ayan, dito.
Hello. In Belgium, I have a salmon jelly,
Strawberry.
strawberry
Yan.
jam, and we have fish here.
Show it how to eat it. This is how we eat it.
First you get food,
Ah,
and then you dip it, and then you eat it.
Hey, can I try some?
Yes.
Kuya Lars, how's yours? They're nice.
Coffee sa bago.
okay. Then, who is? Kakaman. Kanyaman, kaman. Kanyaman, kaman. Dito kami sa hotel by the ruins. Steak. Masarap na dito. After namin magkape, bababa ka na. Kasi lang kami.
Horse? The real horse?
Wants a horse.
What?
She wants a horse.
Oh, the real horse.
Tell it to the people. Let's quiet first. Quiet first.
Wala. Maybe as a mommy, I want the horse.
Okay. mo, ma'am. Yes! Kumulang, kumulang. Yan, yan. Oh, sobra. Yan, so. Yeah.
Ang coffee niya.
Hanging coffin. You're in the forest. Wow! Let me see, let me see. Oh, it's so good.
Dito po kami sa Baguio Islas Sagada. Sabi nila, ayaw na nilang Sagada. Ngayon, pumasok pa sa village na to. Ano mo, wala nang saga-sagada. Ano? Parang bumalik kami sa hanging coffin. Tamawan. Yan o. Sagado. Okay, tukit. Dapat siya, oh. Sabi yung Sagada, never again. Ang kata Baguio. Yung libanta mo, yan naman, hanging coffin. Bato-bato. O, puno-puno. Itang kopi ko, itang tutubong kopi ko, tsuyari, no? Oo nga eh. May bago naman. Oh, very good. Yan, oh. Sige. Amis siya pa rin Sagada. Local houses. Dito. Mountain life. What? Yeah, we love butterflies. We take care of butterflies. See? See that? Picture with it. Picture. 1, 2.
Dad, like
Look at me. Smile. Say, I love Daddy.
I love Daddy.
Hello. What's those? What are those for?
They're for the evil spirits.
So the evil spirits where we go away?
Yes.
Okay.
From the night.
So it's safe here, right? Very
When
good.
there's people here,
Yeah.
they're gonna
Bakanta ka mo.
they're gonna let go their mirrors, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Right, Dad?
Hello. What are those?
There are fish.
Koi fish.
Gusto niyo rin na ginawa ni ate mo. Gagaya siya. Wanna see what inside? Wait. You're going to see it once I use my flashlight. There you go.
Dito.
Can you see it? Picture mo si Rino yung back. Can you see it? Ayan, yan yung sinasabi nilang ano dito. Signature sa Abraham Stone.
Merienda. Sa
Puso ng saan.
heart of banana.
Tingnan mo muna, Dad.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay yan.
Masarap. Nasa mix sila.
Ano po kami? Video lang.
cold. Ang pagi-pagi na.
So, where's the unicorn? Yeah. Okay. You got it. Opo, opo.
Daddy.
Turn left onto Upper Session Road. In 200 meters, slight right onto TM Kalas Street.
Ay, Mama, wake up.
Hi, Kuya Lars.
We're at the night market.
We're in the night market.
Baguio.
Baguio.
Lars. Hana. Lars. Noah. Where? Ana, sunflower seed. Pwede na tayong kumuha. Sunflower.
May mga bees.
Oh, yung kinakain mo, oh. Sunflower seed. Oh, oh.
Ayan, oh.
Friendship Garden. Baguio, Filipino-Chinese. Friendship. Makahanap ng friendship niya.
Ay, Noah.
Ay, sorry.
Oh, fish. Oh, fish. At punta na kayo.
Basta saan na, kahit saan na bumili. Ayun, sino po kayo dyan?
Ay, Noah. Where are you going?
Hi, Mom. Where are you?
I'm here in Baguio.
Tara, here next na. Anong meron dyan? Anong meron dyan?
O, tingnan mo yung tsura.
Anong meron dyan?
Dinat-dinat na.
Oh, ganyan ba yung tsura niya?
Baguio. Because this is the mountain. It's called Hi.
Kuya.
Hi.
Ate, hingi doon. Daming nabili. Ito, Kuya Lars. Hindi ka napagod? Naging photographer po si Lars.
Light Park. Tayo sa The Mansion. Yun yung The Mansion. Oops, saan yung photographer natin?
Ayun. Look, suba.
Right? Okay.
This plant is a cactus.
Wow, what's this?
Yes. It's normal because of the spikes.
Ah, this,
It lands on a dirt dead.
what?
The one where this live.
Then, that,
This? I don't know what's that.
desert? Desert?
This is
Yeah, desert.
because it has spikes in it.
Mm.
It's hot. Bye.
Bye. Noah. Wow, it's a video.
Yes.
Show them the plants.
That is this. It's foggy.
Look at this.
Yes, it's a yellow
Cactus.
cactus.
Ah. Can you eat this?
No?
Why?
That's spiky.
Okay.
Sa tindahan ng
Yay! Ano mo?
Yung earrings.
Bagong silver. Ah.
Totoong silver.
Sige rin naman. Rin naman. Show your earrings. Wow! Wow. So pretty. Nice. I like that. Wow. So yeah, picture.
Kaya pala, hinahanap ko ito.
Here on the box. Please love this piece. No, it's not the Japanese flag.
May ibang race ba ng bata pa na parehas mo? 6.
Saan ba kami ngayon? Sa Baguio. Yan. Late na kaibigan.
Umuulan din nun eh. Masama ba tayo nun? Pumunta ng Baguio para mapamasahe.
Aba nanonood ka naman.
Malet.
Riding. Nga na.
Importante yung laman.
Last ka dito sa bahay.
Ganun.
Kababayan pa. Kababayan pa. Banigitarlak to. Ito lang mga taga-tarlak. Ano eh. Talentado.
Marirelax ba talaga si Sir Jan?
Yes, ma'am. Maganda ba relax wag magbayad?
Ah.
10 years warranty mo.
Oh, 10 years warranty daw, sir.
Road trip proof mo. Takal na ako dito ka pa rin. 2000, layas na ako nung tarlak nung nagigila mo ako.
Ganun.
Dami kong pinuntan ng lugar ko. Masaya. Pumunta ako ng...
Nama!
Leader siya sa kabayo po. Kasi
Tingin, tingin.
Nice, Noah.
Anong binili mo?
Leather.
Leather. Siguradong kabayo, ano yan? Galing sa kabayo. Picture daw, Daddy. Malapit na sila.
Dapat. One eh.
Dapat hindi.
Balik no.
Mami!
Ayan si Dad. Pipicture kayo. Hi, Noah. What do you want?
I want a horse.
What?
I want a horse.
What?
I want a horse.
Horse? The real horse?
Yes.
She wants a horse.
What?
She wants a horse.
Oh, the real horse.
Tell it to the video.
Hey.
Let's quiet first. Quiet first.
Wala. Let me have enough money. I want a horse.
Okay.
What you gonna buy naman?
Ma'am, dagdagan mo rin ng ganito ang tamis kayo, ma'am. Sagada uli. 190. Ano yung madam? Ay, may sampol naman siya.
Mommy, it's showing it's a 60.
Good job. Nice.
Anong kinakain mo? Talagang tatlo ba yung binili mo?
Akala ko abunod yung mga bata. Okay, so ito na kami ha. Okay. So yan. Okay, so masakay na tayo. Baguio ay. Oh, how is the experience?
Very nice.
Very nice?
Very nice.
Good. Okay. Kita natin ang Baguio. Oh, yun na. Ito na. Yun. Yan, tapos na kami. Okay. Okay na.
Pwede na tayo lumama.
Okay.
Hi, Noah. Noah, this is Renoa Pringles. And this one is Daddy Pringles.
Apples. Ano ba eh? Eat. Wally.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good, 200.
Meron na rin yung pera si Daddy.
Your turn, your turn.
Hindi pa nagbabalik.
Tumama yan.
Ito tayo, 11. 10. Nasa yung sa 10?
Store natin.
Wait lang, picture natin. Nakala ko sa pang game. Naging isang game ka pa eh.
Naka-time-lapsing mo rin.
Oo. So, ikaw panalo. Sige. Video natin.
Napakahirap nung kasi ng cute.
Si Hana naghanap pa ng ng solusyon.
Walang pag-asa.
Isa lang yan. Magsitulog na tayo. 2 a.m. Tingnan mo yung isa.
Relax!
Ay, talo.
Anong oras na?
2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Tapos balak ipapalo.
Yung first na game sa board natin. Alas. Aba? Bukas.
4 hours tayo nandito.
Isa pa, no? Ako naman. Konti lang yata yan.
4 hours tayo nandito.
Marami tayo. Muntikan pa ako doon eh. Baby, the video. What's there? Diba? Hi, Mom. Mamaya mag-check-in na, uwi na. Check-in pala.
Gusto ko
Check
ito
out pala.
check-in.
Check-in tsaka umuwi. Oh, wow! Plus,
Nasa
liligo.
CR.
Getting ready for the... To go to the playground.
Ayun, sige.
Ayun! Nawa! Try it, baby.
Get the big corn.
This one?
Parang kailangan i-adjust.
Yung 23-30
That's one? Okay ka na dyan? Okay ka na? Ayun sa kanya. Dapat antabayanan mo muna.
Excuse me.
Forward, bebe, forward. Go to Kuya Lars.
Fast.
Pwede rin. Aking driver.
Hi, baby.
Wala sila. Bye!
Wala rin din.
Inawa! Forward! Yan, forward, forward! Hi!
Hi!
Look at me!
Benta niya ganyan. Look where you're going, baby.
Look forward.
Ito, pabaligiran. Parang yan. Ay, may distraction.
I need my bike, that's why I need
Yeah. Watch the road. Ayan, saan- okay ito, mag-highway din. Ba? Pabilis mo na. Bali friend.
Biking at
Yeah, first time namin mag-bike.
First time naman talaga natin magkasamang mag-bike. Bike lang pag umaga.
Wala mo yung magkaya. Eyes on the road, baby. Don't crash, okay? Watch the road. Yun na daw. Good, tapa. Laban, tepa. Kasi babaligid dyan pa eh. Mag-render yung makabaligid. Ito kabila. Wala yung gobyerno. Ito kabila. Oo, no? May kakati ka pa. May nagkatya pa kayang kahit na. Gobyerno nga so. Agad-just na rin. Nasa lubog na, may nagka-geometro na kaya din. Matras niya pa eh, alam eh. Kaya pala lang ng preno, reaktaan eh. Makorek tayo, makapabreno ka kayo mismo.
Wait lang.
Petras siya, magagaralan yung Petras. So,
Nandito sa bagay.
Hello. Bro. What? What do you want? Ah, you can do that? No hands? No hands? Let's see. What? Wow, galing ah. Yan. You can do no hands?
Huwag ka lang dyan.
Bawal pa gamit natin. Balak. Aro, counter flow. Aro.
Magkano po yan, Miss Ganda?
3 for 100 lang po, 40 isa.
Hindi ka nakikita.
Siyang taga-benta natin, no? 100. No, one look, Tita Ted.
3 for 100, you wanna buy?
Ayos, siguro eh.
Wanna buy?
Sa wakas, nakuha mo din yung bulala mo. Legit.
Sakit yung bulalog yung kaya bago. Yan yung wating.
Ito lang sa ano. DJ na to ba? Taga-Tarlac sila. 24 hours.
Asan kaya?
Nasa colorful ball.
Dalawa.
Where are you, baby? There's a lot of ano. Damit.
Yan, oh, wow! Oh, here at La Trinidad, Baguio.
No, bridge.
Tayo sa... Ana, Arabs. Dead. Video. Ay, mami. Okay. Bus na kayo dyan. Sa video. So, Rinua. Ito pala ang Stone Kingdom. Ayan hanggang sa taas.
Tapos per family.
Ang taas hanggang doon, no? O, post na kayo dyan.
Ay, nasan ka?
Sa Bato, Kingdom. Grotto.
Ay, garota. May black and white daw eh, no? Turo mo daw yung black and white. Black and white.
Twin.
Nawa!
Hi!
Show your Igorot dance.
Oh, ito na. Pumapasok na yung phone.
Lapit na sa atin.
Pumapasok na yung phone.
Ganda ang fog.
The mist.
Dumis. Oh, ang taas namin. Ayan. Okay, large picture. Ito po ang hari ni Gurot. Saka yung Queen Regent. Ito po yung ano natin. Huwag mo nila manual lock. Dami natin set to. Hello,
Michael Jackson sir.
wala, sara, go.
Ang sinasabi ba?
Bundok na. Ginawa nilang ano?
Stone.
Bato-bato.
Hello, Dad.
Stand like this.
Hi, Dad.
I record it first.
Dad.
Hi, boss. May kasama ka, boss?
Okay, hintay pa.
Hey!
Aching! Ah!
Sir, anong tinitingnan mo dyan?
Mga dila.
Asaan?
Ito.
Yung kulay puti doon? Ah, oo.
Ilaga
Uwi
ke.
mo ba?
Ilaga.